Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial where I'm going to show you how to change language on Google Maps. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your Google Map application, or you can simply go open up a web browser on your computer and type in map.google.com and press enter. Make sure you're signed into your Google account in order to open up your Google Maps. Once you've opened up to your Google Maps, go to the hamburger menu at the top left corner and click it on. In the expanded menu, you'll be able to see a language option at the bottom of the screen. Google Maps automatically take you to a country domain and shows places names in the country's local languages. You can easily change your language or country domain by using the Google Maps. Simply click on the language option and select a language from the pop-up. Go ahead and select any one languages and you'll be able to find your Google Maps in the selected language of your choice. All of the places information will be shown in the language you selected, as you can see it on the display. That is how you can easily change language on your Google Maps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.